Question number 13. Which of the following is a factor of 3x squared minus 14x minus 5? Okay, to find one of the factors, I may as well factor this completely. And I can't factor out a GCF, and I have a number in front of the x squared, or a number multiplying x squared. So what can I do? I can factor this by grouping. To do that, we need to find two numbers right here, that will multiply to whatever 3 and negative 5 multiply to, which is negative 15. 3 times negative 5, negative 15. And those two numbers need to add up to negative 14. In this case, we have an easy answer, don't we? Can you see it? I hope so. If not, that's okay. We can just break down 15 and see what two numbers multiply to 15, or what pairs of numbers. But how about negative 15 and positive 1? Negative 15 plus 1 is negative 14, and negative 15 times 1 is negative 15. So what does this tell us? Well, I can split up the negative 14x, or the minus 14x, into minus 15x plus 1x. And then I will bring down the 3x squared and the minus 5. Now, let's factor by grouping. Over here, I can factor out a 3x. 3x squared divided by 3x is x. Minus 15x divided by 3x is minus 5. Then we have 1x minus 5. The greatest common factor here is just 1. So I can just write down again the x minus 5, because x divided by 1 is x. Minus 5 divided by 1 is minus 5. These are the same, x minus 5 and x minus 5. So I can just copy it once, since we are factoring by grouping. Then I'll bring down the 3x, and I'll bring down the plus 1. And that is the fully factored form of 3x squared minus 14x minus 5. And this over here, x minus 5, is the only factor that we see, which is our x minus 5 from over there. So that's it. Answer is